Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is going to be a reading for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and don't manifest the rest. If it don't fit, don't make it. So Scorpio, I got the lovers here. Gemini energy. Full moon coming up in Gemini on the 27th. What is it with this King of Cups, man? He cannot make up his mind. Now, that could be you, Scorpio. Because it is the King of Cups. You've got options, decisions, growth coming in. And it's beautiful because it's a healing. So, it is a very beautiful energy coming in. This could be somebody that is in your immediate vicinity. If you are not already involved with them, you could already be involved with this person. Okay. So your challenge is the truth. Ace of Swords. A brand new beginning and a big fat yes. Well, does it look good? Well, yeah, it looks real good. Somebody making a new offer here. They want you to be their main squeeze. Ha! Scorpio new moon was yesterday. Walking away. 8 of Cups and that passed. Saying, you know what? I ain't playing with you no more. This might be a past person that walked away from somebody else to come towards you. But I don't think that you're going to see it coming. Yeah. So, in the immediate future. Tower. They all heartbroken and stuff. Okay? Somebody definitely gonna get their heart broke here in the immediate future. Whether that's you or the other person. And by the pale moonlight, which is the full moon, I feel like you're gonna hear from this person. Could be a Libra, could be a Taurus, could be a Pisces. They are stressing. They made a mistake. Out of confusion. Out of competition. Wow. They made a mistake. And I think whatever they're coming in to tell you is going to be quite shocking. Factors affecting the situation. 8 of Cups. You walked away. You said enough's enough. I'm moving on. This is my wish. I'm going to heal. I'm going to stand on my own 2 feet. My wish is to move on. Enough has been done here. So, you left the past behind. Then you kind of met somebody new. You found out the truth about the past. It was very shocking. So the past is coming back to try to make up for what they did. To tell you the truth, because they can't move now because they stuck. What is the hope or the fear here? A little boom boom in the room. We have strength and we have justice. So if you have the strength to go have a good time, that is your justice. And I want to be nice about this. I'm going to try to be real nice about this. But whoever this person was, they are stuck watching you from a window, like, because they rushed into a choice here without thinking about it completely. Now they might be out money and their whole livelihood. I do feel like this, whoever this person was from the past, my face is itching. And you got growth from it. You got a brand new beginning. You have new love here that has entered your life and brought blessings for after all you have been through. What is this Lover's card about, Spirit? What is this Lover's card? The sun, the stars, the moon. The sun, stars, and moon keep coming out in your reading, Scorpio. Yeah, you chose to cut a bitch. And it led right straight to your happiness. The Star and the Four of Cups. So you may have turned down a healing with this other person because it looks like you have something else on the horizon here. Something that's much, much more worth your while. It doesn't make you guess. It doesn't make you have to second guess yourself. Oh yeah. So there's 3 people here. But I feel like for you, Scorpio, I feel like that is a couple different people offering you the swing. Alright? And it is your choice of who to leave out in the cold at this time. Judgment Day is here for this player and whoever this new person is that's in your life, because I do feel like if you haven't met anybody yet, you're about to during Sagittarius season. If you're not with this person, yep, they could have been a Sagittarius. Okay, they could have been a Sag that made you an option. Tried to keep you holding on. Tried to keep you in a state of where you're holding on to hope for a reconciliation with this person. But I feel like you let go. You let go, you passed judgment on the past, and you got a brand new beginning out of it. Ace of Swords, Ace of Wands, and the Ace of Cups. You got a brand new beginning out of letting go of this old paradigm and balancing out your energy and leaving your options open. What is this Tower in the immediate future for my Scorpios? What is this Tower for my Scorpios? A shocking surprise. Is it a good one or is it a not so good one? Towers are really never bad. They're just realizations about the truth. Okay? Density, destiny, and the truth. You're finding out exactly what this person did. They betrayed you in some of the worst ways here. Like I said, it could be a Sagittarius. We got Temperance. We got the Wheel of Fortune. And we have Judgment, which is Scorpio and Sag. Yeah. And you don't want no more betrayal. So you kind of brush this person off. And continued in your truth. Continued in you're continuing in your destiny. Your cold hard truth. No matter what endings have to take place here. And I think you shocked the crap out of somebody here. By walking away from them. By saying, you know what? I'm not an option. I am the whole enchilada. Good for you, not so good for them. Because now they stuck with their choices. They're, by making you an option, you decided, yeah, you know what? No, I'm not. Bye. And the Queen of Cups went into hiding. Queen, King, somebody went into hiding. Because the choices that they made were pure illusion. 7 and 8 of Cups. They had to walk away. Because it was bullshit. Because it was a lie. And now they feel like their destiny is you. Yep. Message to the King of Cups. Like I said, somebody coming in, Scorpio. There could be a significant age difference. So they're coming in to celebrate. They might ask you to go out and have a good time. But they're coming. They're trying to leave their demons behind them so they can come towards you. And they're hoping that you're going to come out and play. But like I said, you have already moved on from this person. And I don't think they've come to that realization yet, but they're about to in the immediate future. You've already moved on. So, I almost feel like, and I don't mean to be this way, but, I can't help it. It's my Scorpio ways. Is that you're proud of yourself. You're proud of yourself for not falling for the illusions of this person again. You've stepped it up. You've stepped into your destiny of being that sexy mofo you are. And because of that, you get a brand new beginning in love, passion, and truth. And this player gets a 3-way situation. Okay? You might work things out with them. You might. You might not. I don't know. That choice is yours. Always choice is yours. But I do feel like you've already got something else brewing, something else in the mix, something that you need to make a decision on, which is some kind of offer. Now this is growth. So it starts out as the Page, but it works its way up to the 7. This was a good choice because you're the one that's holding the magic. All right, the wisdom and the magic. In your Queen of Cups energy, you got that magic lamp there. And this person, they just won't quit. It's like they hurt people, and this person don't know what they want. They're back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Do not wait on this person, Scorpio. Do not wait. Because they lost. I do feel like... Okay, so let's put it into perspective. So, to where you've grown, and you've graduated from the 3rd D, they're still in it. They're still in that fight or flight mode, trying to make the decisions that are right for them, where you've already made your decision, and justly so. And I don't think you're budging. What is this Tower about with this King of Swords and this Destiny? Knight of Swords. You killed it. With the Death card and a Tower here, Scorpio, you stepped into your power. You took a leap of faith on this Ace of Wands and got your son because you stand in your integrity. You did this very, very abruptly, very quickly. This person is like totally shocked that you bossed up. And that you're considering other options at this point in your life, because this is the past. This is put down, and you very quickly said bye. Bye, stalker. Page of Swords. Queen of Wands. This person, and this, all this person can do is watch you in the rear view mirror. Actually, you watching them in the rear view mirror. Because this is a car. So, I feel like somebody is like... I feel like the image is getting smaller and smaller and smaller as you go further and further and further. I think I had a video on that says objects may appear smaller in the rear view mirror or something like that. And I feel like that's kind of what's going on here. You got a King of Cups with a Page of Wands. Like I said, there could be a significant age difference. Up to 20 years. And all they can do is watch. You've already passed judgment on this situation. And they bringing in an offer. And I feel like you're turning it down. And this person is gonna like regret what they did, because you're no longer accepting this. And like I said, that's the graduation from 3D to 4D, is that you have graduated and resurrected yourself to the point where you're now above this, and you're no longer even entertaining it. It's like you sticking to your truth, choosing to move on from this player type energy and stick to the facts. Page of Pentacles for the 3rd time. So that tells me that there is new offers on the table. Got an 8 of Swords here. I feel like you're 888. No way. Okay, so Scorpio. Very, very important decision here. And I can't make it for you. Alright? You can choose to stay trapped in this 8 of Swords. 8 of Wands is here with the 8 of Pentacles. So if you are waiting on a job offer and you're not sure which one to take, let 888 be your guide. So if you're seeing the numbers 888, follow that. Because that's growth from the 7. And whatever this offer coming in is, it seems like it's a really good one, and it's going to give you a new beginning in many different areas of your life, especially your personal life. Alrighty then. Okay, so conflict and defeat. Yeah. So that's why that had to happen. This person knows your paradigm has been sped up. Like I said, they missed the boat. I think they missed the whole damn river. Another 8. And now they're really upset about their choices because of what they did. This is not your responsibility to fix this. Your responsibility is to keep going. And like I said, if 888 keeps showing up in your life, follow it. Because a significant change is taking place in your life, and I do feel like it has to do with your ascension. Somebody knows they chose the wrong path here. Due to maybe even family ties, possibly because maybe their family expected them to take the money over love. Maybe that's what they were taught. But see, Scorpio, I feel like, because this is where they're at now, after choosing money over love, which, is never a smart idea. Their life is changing. Their destiny is not set anymore. But your destiny is leading you to something far greater. Like I said, what starts out as a page of pentacles here turns into a whole bunch more. And somebody don't like it that you are stepping into your power here. Like I said, if you stay in that 8 of Swords, I can't tell you what to choose. I can tell you that if you stay in that 8 of Swords, as opposed to moving and working on your life and having the strength to move on from being an option and solitude, you are manifesting. So remember that even when you don't get what you want, and if you stay in that 8 of Swords, you're manifesting more 8 of Swords, especially if you're a 4D being. You're manifesting whatever you're concentrating on the most. So why not concentrate on a gift and great fortune and good things, and maybe a new journey and a trip, because I got the 6 of Swords here like 3 or 4 times. I do see travel in your immediate future. Maybe not immediate, but within the next few months, once you get yourself unstuck about the choices that you make, because the choice that you make today is going to make all the difference in the long run. Didn't I say something about a boat? Somebody missed the boat, missed the whole damn river? You didn't. There is some closure issues here, though. There's some kind of issue here with closing down an old cycle, and I do feel like that is the cold hard truth that you're realizing now, that from a place of, isolation and solitude, you're realizing just how powerful you are. You're finding out you're meeting the one, you're talking to this person already. Like I said, this Page of Pentacles is going to turn into much more. And this new person, you do have some kind of insane chemistry with. It's because they were the ones that was meant to be in your life. Not this person who played with your emotions and made you wait. And I do feel like it's because of their own insecurity, Scorpio. You're just too damn sexy. And their own insecurity caused this conflict and defeat in their life. Yeah, they picked the wrong one. They picked the wrong destiny. And they got defeated because of it. Because they can't see it from a higher perspective. Like I said, they're too busy wallowing in the 3D here. I do feel like that's the one that goes with this reading, so I'm going to go ahead and read it. I don't know why, but that is sticking out to me. It's the Hungry Ghost. Like I said, you've moved up as far as your ascension goes into another dimension, into another reality. And this person is still stuck in lack and chasing their tail, chasing things that are not of their highest good, and then having to walk away from them because that option was an illusion. This is obsession, scarcity, consciousness, and attachment. Devil energy. So it says, when the hungry ghosts appear on your path, they may not first seem like allies because they represent the constant focus on the past and the consuming desire to know the future, which rob you of your true present. But in fact, they're here in service of alerting you to observe obsessive thinking and addictions. They're masters at magnifying repetitive behaviors. The message is for you to examine whether you're doing the same thing over and over while expecting a different outcome. This time will be different, and I have control over this, are false statements and a sign of deep denial of the truth. Now is the time to let go of that thinking, surrender your will, your life, your heart's desires, and all that pains you to the divine. Order will be restored in your world. The hungry ghosts also bring understanding about the distractions of life that seduce you into forgetting what you really desire. They're asking you to become aware that what others want and what culture dictates will make you happy may not be what's best for you. Don't get caught up on the outside appearances. All that glitters may not be gold, at least not for you. Look beyond the veneer, and you will find the true substance in your life. You deserve nothing less, Scorpio. Nothing less. Hold on to that dream, because it's right around the corner. All right? Those are your messages, my baby dragons. Please remember to press the like button, subscribe, and share. And I do have readings on sale right now. Please check the community page for prices. And I will see you soon. Take care. Bye for now.